Unveiling the secrets of a restoration budget. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that combines language learning with a bit of financial literacy. We're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases, restoration budget. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love enriching your vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. Let's decode this together, ensuring you can not only understand it but also use it confidently in your conversations or financial planning. Before we delve deeper, let's break down the phrase into two parts: restoration and budget. Restoration refers to the act of repairing or renovating something to return it to its original condition or to a good condition. This could be anything from a historic building, a piece of art, or even an old car. Budget, on the other hand, is all about planning how to spend money. It represents a financial plan that outlines expected income and expenses over a certain period. When we combine these terms, a restoration budget specifically refers to the amount of money set aside or planned for the purpose of restoring something. It's a crucial part of project planning, especially when it comes to renovations or repairs. Understanding and creating a restoration budget is vital for several reasons. Financial planning: it helps in allocating the right amount of funds to ensure a project can be completed without financial strain. Resource management: by knowing the budget, individuals or organizations can manage resources more efficiently, deciding what to prioritize in the restoration process. Setting expectations: it provides a clear picture of what can be achieved with the available resources, helping to set realistic goals. Let's look at a few examples to see how a restoration budget might come into play. Historical buildings: a city council may set aside a certain sum to restore an ancient landmark, preserving it for future generations. Vintage cars: a car enthusiast might plan how much money they're willing to spend on restoring an old car to its former glory. Home renovation: after purchasing an old house, a family might need to work out how much they can afford to spend on renovations. Understanding the phrase, restoration budget, is not just about adding a new term to your vocabulary. It's about gaining insight into an essential aspect of project planning and financial management. Whether you're involved in a restoration project or just fascinated by the concept, knowing how to plan and allocate resources is invaluable. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and empowered you with knowledge you can apply in various aspects of life and learning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.